Hello YouTube world and welcome to my channel. So today I'm making this nice little short video and I'm going to be showing you guys how I make one of my favorite desserts, and this is my tapioca pudding, and it is so good. I like to enjoy this tapioca pudding when my boys are asleep and I finally have my me time. I crank out my tapioca pudding and I enjoy it. And this is vegan, this is healthy, and it's satisfying, and you sleep so good. Here we go, tapioca baby. Let's get started. Okay, so first I'm going to be using 1 cup of this Bob's Red Mill small pearl tapioca. You can find this at any health food store. And then I'm going to be adding 2 cups of rice milk. You can use any nut milk or regular milk, but nut milk is better. And yeah, so I'm using the Rice Dream organic rice milk that I found at my local health food store, and this was like the best rice milk I found. So now I'm gonna cover it and let it sit.
A few moments later.
So I let that sit for 2 hours until the tapioca absorbed all that liquid. And after that, I'm gonna heat up this can of coconut milk. And you can use any coconut milk you'd like. Just make sure it's canned coconut milk because it has a lot of coconut fat that you want to use because it's just better. So I'm just gonna heat that up so that it can melt and stir it up a bit and crank up that heat. And then to this, um, oh yeah, what am I doing here? I'm just stirring it until the coconut's melting. Okay, now that it melted, I'm gonna be adding the tapioca in there. And then I'm gonna stir it up a bit and turn down the heat as well. I don't want it to be too hot. I don't want it to be too hot. And then after this, I'm gonna be adding 2 cinnamon sticks, or you can add ground cinnamon if you like. You can add some vanilla extract, or vanilla. Just yeah. Okay, and then you're gonna stir it up until the tapioca absorbs everything and it turns into a pudding, pudding. I don't know. And then I'm gonna serve it up and I'm gonna put it inside of this cute mason jar. And while it's still hot, I'm adding some raw cacao powder. Cacao is so good for you, it's good for your brain. And then I'm gonna be adding some frozen cherries to this. And then I'm gonna add another layer of hot tapioca. I like to add like the frozen cherries and then the hot tapioca because that melts the cherries and it softens them up, and then it's glorious. And then yeah, I like to eat cherries before bed because cherries contain melatonin, which is the hormone that you release when it's Mimi's time, so you sleep better. Talk about insomnia. You want to try cherries instead of taking, like sleeping pills or whatever. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm just making like a parfait, like a layer type of thing, and this was so good. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys try it out, and yeah, don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. The end.